This is the scenic elevator at the Harbor House Restaurant on Stearns Wharf, Santa Barbara, California. Up and down Adventures film this elevator. It's glass, GAL door lock. It's a tri-county. Cool. Scenic. 1984. Look at the back. Very nice. Oh, I want to get people on camera. This is a nice elevator. You would not expect scenic here. Look at the view. Very nice. Basic but nice. We'll take 2 round trips. Take 2 round trips because it's scenic. I like that. It's a tri-county and it's a glass elevator. That is cool. Very nice. People on camera. Is it going? What's going on? Come on. Are we stuck? Oh no. Are we stuck? What's going on? Is it stuck? Gotta try it again, maybe. Let's try it again. Maybe it'll go now. I don't know. Maybe not. Are we going? What's happening? Here we go. Delay. Alright, I don't really want to get stuck, so I'm just going to do 1 ride. Just give a quick cab view. Very nice, scenic. It's kind of acting up today. It's delaying. Phone is not ADA compliant, and the permit is recertified. I like that. Wrong permit. It says 500 pounds. There's your GAL door unlock. Very nice, scenic tri-county elevator. And we'll watch the door close. This is the only scenic elevator in Santa Barbara next to the Otis Series 4 elevators at Routes and Annapolis Street Garage. And there's your Hall Station GAL jet bus and that.